Halo semuanya, selamat datang di channel saya Paper Stories.
Calculating machines from time to time continue to experience very rapid development, even timeless. The presence of a time machine is proven to be able to provide significant changes that can facilitate various activities for everyone. But do you know who was the first person who invented the calculating machine? Yes, he is Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal was born in Clermont-Ferrand, France, June 19, 1623. Although he did not have an official education, Pascal was an intelligent child, as evidenced at the age of 12 that he succeeded in making a calculating machine to help his father's work. Pascal's father, Juni Pascal, was a tax collector working in the Auvergne region, France. In biographies published in various scientific journals, it is stated that the calculating machine created by Blaise Pascal at that time was more used to help his father, who was a tax collector. His love for science and applied science made him continue to innovate until finally a year later Pascal succeeded in discovering Pascal's triangle theory. Pascal's triangle theory was successfully discovered by Blaise Pascal to calculate the pattern of numbers arranged to form a certain triangle. His discoveries continued at the age of 16, where he discovered Pascal's theory, which states that the tangents to the sides of a conical hexagon lie at one point. This theorem later became one of the basic theorems in the field of projective geometry. Blaise Pascal has also succeeded in designing hexagon buildings, discovering the working principle of the barometer, discovering the working system of the watch, to being involved in the manufacture of the Paris underground transportation system. For 3 years, Blaise Pascal tried to develop his invention of calculating machines and has succeeded in making dozens of prototypes of calculating machines, known as mechanical calculators. 10 years later, Blaise had succeeded in perfecting the invention of his calculating machine, which he named the Pascal calculator or Pascal lines. Together with his friend, Fermat, Blaise Pascal then succeeded in formulating the theory of probability, where in its development, this theory became the basis of science in calculating insurance risk and statistics. At the age of 24, he studied the theory of the void and also made a glass tube filled with mercury placed at 2 different heights. The result turned out to be a difference in height in the mercury column. This theory proves that the air pressure in one place with another has a different value. Pascal is considered to have a short life. He died in Paris, France, on August 19, 1662 or at the age of 39 years. However, this Frenchman during his lifetime was very fond of mathematics and projective geometry. The science and applied sciences that interest him led him to succeed in creating the first known calculating machine called the Pascalin. Pascalin machine is a calculating tool that uses a counting wheel to add up numbers. This tool is also able to operate addition, subtraction and division of 2 numbers at once. The method that Pascal uses is the re-zeroing method. The method on his calculating machine was able to prove that his calculating machine could be operated and could function at all, thus proving that this calculating machine was really of high quality. Pascal patented his invention after a watchmaker tried to imitate his invention. Pascal's calculating machine became the forerunner to the development of a similar calculating machine. In the years 1646 to 1716, a mathematician named Wilhelm Leibniz assessed that the calculating machine had many shortcomings. Therefore Leibniz studied Pascal's invention to perfect the calculator so that it could process multiplication. His dedication brought Blaise Pascal very close to the French Empire. until finally Blaise Pascal and the Kingdom of France collaborated to build the French Academy of Sciences. But unfortunately, at the end of his life Blaise Pascal had fallen into poverty and was sickly due to his bad habit of spending time having fun and gambling. He passed this gloomy period for almost 2 years. Fortunately, his younger brother, Gilbert, managed to resuscitate him and make Blaise Pascal live a normal life again. As a result of his declining health condition, finally on August 19, 1662, Pascal died. Various speculations emerged about the cause of death. Some say he died of tuberculosis. However, there are also those who argue that Pascal died due to weakened brain function. However, the invention of the calculating machine by Blaise Pascal has provided a major change in science, and the calculating machine is still helping mankind in many activities. Moreover, various technologically sophisticated media are now still inserting their calculating machines. Like on mobile phones, for example, calculators are always tucked away from the era of analog phones to today's Android-based ones.